In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set automation in Sendgrid. We'll walk through the full process together, from finding the right menu, to defining who gets your emails, to finally turning your automation on. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of how to build a simple, reliable email series that runs on its own. First, once you're logged into your Sendgrid account, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Marketing section. Under Marketing, click on Automations. This is where all of your automated email flows live. On this page, click the button that says Create an Automation. When Sendgrid asks what type of automation you want to build, choose the Custom option. This gives you full control over how people enter and move through your series. Next, you need to define your entry criteria. This tells Sendgrid which contacts should be added to this automation. You can choose to trigger it when someone is added to a specific list or when they match a specific segment. Think of lists as broad groups and segments as more targeted filters, like behavior or attributes. One important detail here is timing. Contacts will only receive this automation if they are added after the automation is set live. Anyone who is already on that list or in that segment before you activate it will not automatically be enrolled. After that, set your exit criteria. This tells Sendgrid when to stop sending emails to a contact within this series. You have a few options. You can have them exit once they've received all the emails in the automation, which is useful for fixed welcome or onboarding flows. You can have them exit when they no longer meet the entry criteria. For example, if they leave the list or fall out of the segment. Or you can define a custom condition, such as a specific action or attribute. Just keep in mind, there is a limit of 15 custom exit criteria per account, so use them thoughtfully. Now choose the send timing. For the first email in your automation, you can decide whether it should go out instantly or after a delay of a certain number of hours or days. For every email after that, the delay is set relative to the previous email. This lets you build a cadence, like one email right away, another after 2 days, and so on. With timing in place, it's time to build your email content. Click Add Email Content to select a template and write your message. You can design it, add your copy, and customize it just like any other email in Sendgrid. If you want to create a series, click Add an email to include more messages in your automation, each with its own timing and content. Finally, once you're happy with your entry and exit rules, your timing, and all of your email content, you're ready to launch. Click Set Live to activate the automation. From this point on, any new contact who meets your entry criteria will automatically flow through the series according to the schedule and rules you've set.